Hi everyone, I'm here again to answer a question of a parent. So the parent sent us a word problem and he said that he already answered it using the algebra method. However, he is asking if there's a way to solve this using the bar model method. That way his child can understand the word problem better. Are you ready? Let's begin. A charity group collected $6,750 worth of donations on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. They collected $1,251 less on Saturday than on Sunday. The amount collected on Sunday was four times the amount collected on Monday. What was the amount collected on Sunday? Since we are comparing here, we are going to use the comparison model. Let's start by representing the amount that they collected on Saturday using a short bar and a longer bar for Sunday. Now, we will mark the difference between the two bars $1,251 because it says in the problem that they collected $1,251 less on Saturday than on Sunday. The amount collected on Sunday was four times the amount collected on Monday. So what we will do is to cut the bar of Sunday into four equal units. Then we will represent the amount collected on Monday using 1 unit. Since the total amount collected for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday is $6,750, we are going to draw a bracket on the side covering all the 3 days and label that $6,750. Now let's examine what we have here and see if we're ready to compute. Notice that the one marked $1,251 is not equal to 2 units. Therefore, we can't use that to compute. What we can do instead is to fill that gap using this red bar, and that means if we add that, we are actually adding $1,251 in the total. Since now we have equal amounts for Saturday and Sunday, we can also cut the bar for Saturday into four equal units. Now we have equal units here. So we need to add $6,750 and $1,251, and that will give us $8,001. Let us now put $8,001 in the model. Now we can see that 9 equal units are equal to $8,001. Since they are equal units, we can now compute for what 1 unit is equal to. We need to divide 8,001 by 9, and the answer is $889. What was the amount collected on Sunday? We can now mark the whole bar for Sunday ? Now, to get what 4 units are equal to, all we have to do is to multiply 4 by $889. And the answer is $3,556. The amount collected on Sunday was $3,556. So there you have it. I hope this video was able to show you how easier it is for children to understand what the problem is all about if they're using the bar model method. Now, if you are a parent or a teacher who needs help in teaching their kids or their students the bar model method, we have the bar model method on-demand webinar for parents and teachers. Here you will learn what the bar model method is and the benefits of using the bar model method in solving word problems. We will also cover addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar model method. We will also solve one-step, two-step, and multi-step word problems. If you are interested, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that we have here. Do you want your children or your students to master the bar model method? I have the perfect book for you. This is the Singapore Math Bar Model Method from beginner to advanced level. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to the videos of the discussion of the word problems that we have in the book. If you are interested, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that we have here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.